On April 22, 2025, a devastating terrorist attack in Pahalgam's Sirin-Baisiran Valley, Jammu and Kashmir, shattered the tranquil hills, claiming 26 lives, mostly tourists, and leaving over 20 wounded in a hail of gunfire. What followed was a dark ripple of chaos that swept across India. As the Association of Protection of Civil Rights (APCR) reported at least 20 hate crimes in retaliation. The violence began in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, where Kshatriya Gaurakshat Dal members murdered a Muslim man and wounded his cousin, fueled by vengeance for the Pahalgam attack. Meanwhile, in Kangra, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmiri students were targeted, their hotel rooms broken into amid assaults and threats. The fury spread to Ambala, Haryana, where Hindu organizations attacked and vandalized Muslim-owned shops and carts, beating and abusing Muslim workers in a storm of harassment, intimidation, and verbal abuse. In another part of Haryana, 2 Muslim vendors were assaulted as an act of revenge. The wave of hatred reached Kolkata's Kasturi Das Memorial Super Speciality Hospital, where a Hindu doctor denied treatment to a Muslim woman, and the same act of discrimination was repeated later, intensifying the harassment. In Hathras, Uttar Pradesh, 2 Muslim artisans were fired from the temple work in retaliation, while a Hindutva leader in Doda Baderwa, Madhya Pradesh, escalated tensions by demanding the government replicate Israel's actions in Palestine against Kashmir, spewing hate speech and threats. This rhetoric echoed again in the same region, amplifying the climate of fear. In Kasaragod, Kerala, a politician from the Indian Union Muslim League was booked for casting aspersions on the Sangh Parivar regarding the Pahalgam violence, while in Assam, a Muslim MLA was arrested for calling the attack a government conspiracy, both facing intimidation. At Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya in Haringata, West Bengal, a poster declared, "Dogs and Muslims not allowed. All eyes on Pahalgam," spreading intimidation and threats. Meanwhile, in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, at least 20 Kashmiri students fled BFIT College and Doon PG College, fearing violence from Hindutva outfits, as Hindu Raksha Dal warned Kashmiri Muslims to leave the state or face dire consequences. In Kharar, Chandigarh, local Haryana youth clashed verbally with Kashmiri students, adding to the harassment. In Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, several Kashmiri students and employees were forced to vacate their accommodations, citing security concerns over potential attacks by Hindutva groups, with some fleeing the city entirely. A BJP rally in Jaipur, Rajasthan, protesting the Pahalgam violence, turned violent and attempted to storm a mosque, while in Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh, Kashmiri students faced assaults and harassment from their peers. From murder and assault to intimidation and hate speech, this timeline of events reveals a nation fractured by vengeance and communal strife in the wake of the Pahalgam tragedy.